Hello everybody, I'm in the garage with a new car. This is my Volvo S80. It's the cheapest one in the country. Paid around $250 for it. It's 2,500 crowns, because I'm in Sweden. It's a 2002 model year. Automatic transmission, full leather interior. It's okay. I can give a better tour another time. Today I'm just going to present it quickly, and we will do today's repair, which is repairing the piston thingy in the glove box. I'll show you what the problem is, and we're going to fix the Let's see if we can find a Volvo. We're looking for this. Okay, so we found the Volvo S80 here. It should have this piston to make the smooth opening of the glove box. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get it out. It's, yeah, in there. So we'll start by just pulling this out of the socket in there. Let's see if I can. No, there are two tabs. Let's see if I can show you. It might be easier when it's out. Let's see. Yeah, there's one. There should be another tab. Yeah, it is. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. Here are the tabs that I'm talking about. You just pull them towards you when it opens. Okay, so this one broke as well. Okay, next Volvo. Let's see. Yeah, let's do the same again. Let's see if I can pull the tabs. There we go. There we go. Let's see if I can pull this. It's hard for you guys to see. Did it break? Yes, it broke. This is gonna be a pain to get off. I might have to try another approach. You can see what breaks off the clips in there. I might try another approach on the next vehicle. Okay, I've spotted the S80 that I'm looking for. Let's try not to break this shit now. I have a plan. Let's see. Yeah, works perfectly. Let's see if I think that the let's try to undo the clips again. One, two, and so yeah, and I'm gonna undo the bottom screw now and see if that helps. Give me a second. Okay, so I have my T25 here. Let's see. I can just get it in there. The camera work is gonna be great, right? Right now the piston should be, yeah. Let's see if we can persuade it off its mount there without breaking. Yay! Yes! Good job, me. I'll show you more on how this one works when we get to the garage. Okay, so we are back in the garage with my car, and we're gonna fix the thing we pulled off from the scrapyard. So this is the old one, broken, throw it away. New one, nice. Let's see if we can install it. So here again we're gonna pull on these tabs. Here you can see much easier. Oh, one tab. We have another tab here. Oh, and that will cause it all to just drop down. And I will install this end first. I think that will cause least amount of stress on these. It's going on there with our little screw. Make sure you orient it like this, so you have the socket upwards. And then you use your T25 again, just snugging it up. It doesn't have to be tight. Just snug. Like that. Like that. Now this socket is gonna be installed up in the ball up here. Get some light on here. There we go, up there. But in order to get it up there, we need to close this again. And you just push, and those will snap over the edge like that. Now you should be able to lift it up and get it on the ball. Perfect. See if it works. Oh yeah, that's premium. And it will fall down a bit faster once you fill your glove box up with stuff. So let's go to the bench and take a look on how the piston works. Okay, so I have put my camera on a little stand here for you. Let's see, here we have the piston, the old one. I'm going to show you how it works. There's a spring inside of here, but it's not only a spring, because it's not just a spring tension here, it's actually like pulling a vacuum. And that's caused by the cylinder is actually sealing against the walls inside of here. And up here we have a gasket and a metal sheath placed in this order. Up here. Let's see if we can see how it works. Let's see, there we go. So when you pull, it's actually pulling a vacuum. Then you can see it when I just actuate the piston like this. You can see how it's, you know, releasing air in one way. It's like a one-way valve. And if you don't really have this satisfying feeling when you open your glove box, you might need to like grease this up a bit. Just some oil or some silicone, just a little bit on the seal and the both sides of the seal. But be careful just so you don't break it like I did. The socket here. Let's see if I can get this open. It has something down here, let's see. I'm gonna grab a trusty screwdriver. Dirty one as well. Let's see. I'm not gonna use this anyway, so it doesn't matter if I break it. It should come off. Come on. Yep, there's the spring. And there's the seal. Simple construction. it works. I'm gonna see if I can get this back together again. Oh, it might. Oh, that would probably have been easier if I have just known that there's like a twisting motion to this. You push it in, twist it, and it releases. Whoa! Okay, so this little thing was surprisingly dangerous. No, just kidding. Thanks for watching. And I'm hoping to make more videos on this great Volvo.